They say every mountain top is within reach if you just keep climbing. आज हम जा रहे हैं 14,000 फीट ऊंचाई पर स्थित चंद्रशिला पीक और दुनिया के सबसे ऊंचे शिव मंदिर और पंच केदारों में से एक तृतीय केदार तुंगनाथ। After finally convincing my cousins for this trip, we started our journey from Rishikesh at around 6 in the morning. Rishikesh Badrinath Highway, also known as National Highway 7, was closed with an ongoing all-weather road project, so we kind of took a detour towards our destination following the Rishikesh-Chamba Tihri road. We stopped en route to catch a glimpse of this beautiful Tihri lake, also part of the tallest dam in India, that is the Tihri Dam. We had taken a brief halt for about an hour at a place called Ghansali and had our breakfast. यहाँ आपको ज़्यादा ऑप्शंस नहीं मिलेंगे, तो आप अगर चाहें तो अपना होम कुक टिफ़िन भी कैरी कर सकते हैं। We crossed Agatsmuni, Chandrapuri and Ukhimat, finally leading our way to Chopta after a drive of around 9 hours. Although no prior booking is required at Chopta and one can easily find an accommodation, but just to be on the safer side, we had pre-booked our stay with Mandakini camps. Considering limited availability of resources at such heights, their services were really good and the food was great too.
हम लोग पहुंच गए अपने कैंप्स पे।
Living up to our expectations, the views from our campsite were even more beautiful and picture perfect than we had expected. हम सभी लोग 9 घंटे की जर्नी में काफ़ी थक चुके थे and we preferred sleeping a bit early after our dinner. Starting early morning on day 2, we began our trek towards the Tunganath temple, which was around 3.5 kilometers from Chopta. Chopta generally serves as the base camp for trek to Tunganath temple and Chandrashila peak, and April to November is the best time to visit Tunganath. The Tunganath temple is believed to be 5,000 years old and has a connection to the Pandavas of the epic Mahabharata. As the legend goes, they say that out of repentance over the killings done during Mahabharata, Pandavas were on a constant search for Lord Shiva, who they thought could absolve their sins committed during the battle. Lord Shiva, on the other hand, who was convinced of the guilt of Pandavas, turned himself into a bull to avoid any detection. Bhim somehow recognized Lord Shiva even as a bull and tried to capture it. However, the bull disappeared and later reappeared in body parts at 5 different locations. The hump reappeared at Kedarnath, arms appeared in Tunganath, navel appeared in Madhumaheshwar, the face showed up at Rudranath, and the hair and head appeared in Kalpeshwar. The Pandavas built temples at these 5 places for worshipping Lord Shiva, presently known as Panch Kedar. had our breakfast at a local shop and started our journey towards Chandrashila, which is another steep trek of 1.5 kilometers from Tunganath. The entire peak is covered with snow during winters. Also, the trek was substantially steep, which might get a bit exhausting for some beginners. Chandrashila is proudly seated at an elevation of 4,000 meters, and it offers a mesmerizing 360-degree view of the majestic Himalayan peaks like Kedarnath, Chaukhamba, Trishul, and Nanda Devi. Climbing peaks like that is an experience that is hard to put in words. But as they say, that the best view comes after the hardest climbs. Once at the peak, the joy of accomplishment and that overwhelming mix of emotions you get, it's just like one of those things which are better felt than said. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो। अभी के लिए इस ट्रिप में इतना ही। इस जर्नी को कंटिन्यू करते हैं अगले वीडियो में। अंटिल देन, गुड बाय एंड टेक केयर एवरीवन।